How are you doing? This Martin from Gardens for Life. So, as you've probably all expected, this is the big announcement that you've all been waiting for. Unfortunately, we're going to have to cancel our seed swap due to current events. I don't need to tell you or go into detail on it. It's pretty obvious when you look at the news of what's happening, so there's no point in having it in the current form. The good news is we are not going to cancel it entirely. We are going to still have it, but we're going to organize it by post. I've seen it being done before in other countries, and it can be done quite easily. So all we're going to do is you can go to our website, the main page for the seed swap, and you can just have a read there on what I came up with, and simply make a €5 donation or pay the €5 fee to enter the seed swap. If you have seeds that you're going to post to us, and after you pay the fee or enter the seed swap, you will get an email with details and just instructions on what to do. Basically, it's very simple. You just post us any spare seeds that you have, or unwanted seeds, or even the ones that you've gathered yourself in the garden, and we will distribute those amongst people that are participating in the seed swap. Yeah, so the small €5 fee is basically just to cover the postage back to you and the envelopes and everything else, the packaging. And if you don't have any seeds at all, don't worry, you can still participate. The fee is a bit more, it's €15 to participate if you're not going to send us any seeds that you have to share. And we're still going to post you a share of the seeds. Now, the way we're going to balance it out is simply Gardens for Life is going to, we're actually going to donate a lot of seeds ourselves. A few hundred packets actually we have already prepared. Lots of different herbs and vegetables, and there's some flowers that are great for the wildlife, and also medicinal plants as well. So it'll be a right lucky bag, a random mixture of seed packets that you will receive in the post. But what a nice surprise it would be in these uncertain times with all of the bad news going on. Just to take your mind off all of that bad news for a moment and simply concentrate on what really matters. To be honest, the new growing season is coming, and it's already here. In fact, as you can see, I'm actually surrounded by raspberry plants, and they're already leafing out, as you can see here. And the birds are singing. Today was actually a lovely day for a very warm day, in fact, about 12 degrees, which is kind of unusual for this time of the year, I guess. We're not used to it anymore. We've had a horrible long winter, very wet as well. So if you have any questions, just comment below and or send us an email. You can use the contact form on our website, or just email us directly anyway. So just get on our mailing list as well. It's just gardensforlife.ie/subscribe, and that way you'll get updates on whenever there is an event happening. It's really unfortunate, especially for us, because we were going to really looking forward to hosting this first event that we were going to have with Gardens for Life since 2.5 years ago, when we went public with our gardening. We were hoping to meet our audience and give our audience itself a chance, everybody there, to actually meet each other and network as well. And it's probably just as important as ever, especially now with everything going on. But you know what? We're going to see the bright side as usual, and we're going to take what we can, see the positive sides, and just still keep on gardening. And we still want to do our seed swap and share all of those seeds with everybody, so that we can all get off to a good start in this 2020 growing season. So the closing date for sending us seeds and for entering the seed swap is the 29th, Sunday the 29th of March. That's 2 weeks from now, from today when it's announced. And we're going to be posting seeds back out about 1 week later after the closing date. So you can expect to receive your envelope full of seeds in the post probably around the 6th or the 7th, sometime around then of April. So still early enough to get some extra seeds growing and extra plants growing for the new growing season as well. Also, we're making a video course on how to start a garden and how to actually grow your own food and medicinal plants and materials, even firewood is included too, and wildlife beneficial plants as well in your garden. So that's all coming up anyway, and we'll be announcing that at some point. There's a lot of work going into it, and it'll take a while before we have that finished. And it'll be a proper course. We'll be charging for it because of the amount of effort we're actually putting into it. So hopefully it'll help a lot of people along, but we're going to make it as affordable as we can. And don't forget, we have a spring sale going on at the moment on our web shop. It's just gardensforlife.ie/shop. It's 15% off, and I put the coupon code just here, the discount code. And have a look. There is still a few tubers left. They're nearly sold out though. There's a few willow cuttings left as well, and some strawberry plants as well, and pots, trays and labels, and whatever else you can find. We'd appreciate your support. If you'd like to enter, please do, and if you have any questions, let us know. And thanks for watching, and all the best. Oh yes, one other thing I wanted to say is that we're still going to organize some sort of an event so that we can all meet up and network sometime in the summer.